Hey everyone, Rick Bauer, Sitecore, with a little quick tip for you on using Sitecore as a content author, editor, marketer. This one is just a productivity piece that lives in the content editor, and it's something that you may see all the time, but may have not set up, and it can make your daily routine go a lot quicker when you're working. So as opposed to navigating around anytime you need any of your functions, consider setting up your My Toolbar. Here's this empty canvas for you to basically put your most used buttons. I'll show you what I believe is, this is my favorite. It doesn't have to be yours, and obviously for different roles it's going to change. But basically, once you click the customize icon, you get this window here, and you can start to pull in pieces that you use on a daily basis. There will always be a save button, and there's this customize button, which I will show you. I will remove at the end. But I want to add the edit button because I'm in the content editor. I like to have my details screen here. You can even organize with these little separators and put them into place, and you'll see that those are just thin little lines that come into play. And then from a marketing standpoint, I like to be able to quickly access my goals and attributes. I'm going to separate that out as well. Where did my separator go? Way down here. And then I want from behavior, I'm going to add in my page analyzer for quick access to that, and reports. Let's throw a separator in after that. Let's see. And then I believe it's in the locks folder. Yep. I want my items. This allows me to kind of quickly check anything in workflow for myself. And then this links button, which I talked about in a previous quick tip, is a very handy thing to have available for looking at what links might be, what items are tied to each other, like goals, etc. And then in my operations folder, I want to have my duplicate and delete. Oops, not two duplicates. Duplicate. So I got my duplicate and my delete. Let's throw another separator in there. Probably should start closing up some of my folders here. But anyway, and then in publish, I'll want my publish button, my experience editor button, and my preview. And then I think I want to add in rename and display name. Let's throw another separator in there. And then from view, this is just to make life easier for me to access, what I want to look for here. Hidden items, standard fields, raw values. That's just if I wanted to really dig in deep on the content itself. And I'll just throw a separator on the end. So I click OK. And now instead of, an empty canvas, I have this. But you'll notice it wraps around here. So that's just the size of my screen. Obviously, that'll change if I resize my window. But you can see the small separator lines in there for logical division for myself. Again, it's all personal preference. One thing I will show you is you can also then remove the customize. Just push that back. And you can reorder any of these by clicking and moving them up and down. That'll change the order on the toolbar. Click OK. Getting rid of customize should get me back to, maybe my window shrunk here a little bit. But there we go. I get my single row here of what I need. And in case you're wondering how do I customize this again, I can simply right click and I get this customize on if I click on the toolbar. So I click customize, it opens up this window. So that way I don't have to have that customize icon on my toolbar. So this is it. It's in the content editor, but it allows me to really quickly access the items that I use most. This is your preferences, but it makes your life easier as opposed to working through all the tabs and always looking for anything. It's quick access and should save you a lot of time over time. I hope this helps make your Sitecore marketing experience easier and quicker. My name is Rick Bauer, Sitecore. If you have any questions or comments, as always, I'd love to hear from you.